Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you one of the ways that I incorporate oats into my diet. Oats are whole grain foods known scientifically as Avena Sativa. Oats are among the healthiest grains on earth. They are gluten-free, whole grain, and a great source of important vitamin, minerals, and fiber, as well as antioxidants. Studies have shown that oats and oatmeal have many health benefits. This includes weight loss, lowering of blood sugar, and reduced risk of heart disease. So in this video, I'm going to do a demonstration of how I incorporate oatmeal into my meal. I'm going to share that recipe with you in this video. So I often take oatmeal, for breakfast, and I use it as part of my recipe for baking. So in this video, I'm going to show you another way that I also incorporate these nutritious grains into my diet. So let's cook together. For this recipe, I'm using the Healthwise brand of oatmeal. You can also use other brands depending on wherever you live in the world. So for this recipe, all you need is just your wooden spoon, hot boiling water, and the oatmeal powder. So you wait for the water to boil as it is boiling right now, and then you gradually start pouring in the oatmeal powder, like so. So for this stage, you have to lower the heat. I have lowered the heat already to medium. And then I'll gradually start putting the powder in. Put as much as possible in from the beginning so that you don't end up having too much lumps. And then you have to be fast while turning. Be fast as much as possible so that lumps do not form. So I'm going to need more powder, which I'll add to it now. Okay, so it's becoming thicker and thicker. Like I said, you have to be fast during this turning phase so that you don't end up with lumps. So I'm going to add a little more powder so that I can achieve the right consistency. Okay, so it's becoming thicker and thicker. You have to keep up the pace. Turning, keep turning, so that you don't end up with lumps in the oatmeal fufu, or some people call it porridge. Okay, so you turn it from the base of the pot. Make sure you keep turning, like so. So when you achieve this consistency, then you don't need to add more powder. So after achieving the smooth consistency, I need to give the oatmeal enough time to cook. So what I'm going to do is to add hot water. I have hot water in my kettle. So I'll add hot water, and then I'm going to use the wooden spoon to poke some holes in the oatmeal so that the heat can penetrate and the water can also penetrate to cook the oatmeal properly. So this is how it will look after you have poked the holes inside. Okay, so now I'm going to increase the heat a little bit more, and then I will allow the oats to cook for about 1 minute. 1 minute should be enough for this stage. So I'm just going to cover it and let it cook. I've allowed it to cook for about 1 minute plus. And this is how it looks now. So the next thing I'm going to do is to keep turning, basically. You will notice that it looks smoother now compared to the first time I turned it. So I'm just going to basically continue stirring until it becomes really smooth. When the oatmeal fufu is ready to be served, then it should look like this. It should be really smooth. Okay, like this. Now the oatmeal fufu is pretty much ready. If you're looking for some healthier alternatives in terms of swallow foods, you can try out this recipe, guys. I'm sure you will like it. It's tasty. I decided to have mine with some yummy egusi soup that I prepared earlier today. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Remember to hit the like button, comment, share this video out for everyone to see. And I'll see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe also. Love you all. Stay safe.